Hello, I'm T.S. Vasant Jayatunga. I'm a system developer and a trainer actually. While I was preparing for my AI monetization masterclass, I found two things I think it's worth to talk about. I found that there are two types of work now: scripted work and strategic work. Scripted work is when your job is a checklist, copy paste, data entry, basic reports, routine posts, repeating the same thing every day. It looks busy, but it's predictable, and anything predictable becomes cheaper, faster, and eventually handled by AI or someone using AI. Strategic work is different. You decide what matters, why it matters, and how to win. You think in outcomes, not tasks. You use AI to research, draft, test, automate, but you set the direction, the offer, the message, the system, the plan. So the upgrade is simple. Stop asking, what should I do next? Start asking, what result are we building and what's the smartest system to get it? I have three quick examples. Make 10 social posts is scripted, but design a content system that generates leads weekly, then use AI to produce the post is strategic. Write a proposal is scripted, but create a proposal framework plus offer positioning that wins deals, then use AI to generate drafts is strategic. Do reports is scripted, but build a dashboard plus decision routing that improves profit, then automate reporting with AI is strategic. In the AI era, the paycheck follows the strategy, not the steps. Actually, AI replaces repetition. AI rewards direction. Don't compete with AI on speed. Compete with strategy on value. So, I would say be the person who thinks, not the person who just clicks.